Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. On the timeline, it will show to your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see guys here, the daily candle yesterday it finished here, which is that one here. It zoom it a little bit, which is that one here. Forget about that candle here, which is going now. And that candle, what it's telling us? It's telling us is a continuation pattern. If you're looking at that candle here and that red candle here, that one, and that doji what happened here, that candle here, it's telling us is a continuation pattern. What that indicator is indicating the Bitcoin is going to fall down. That what the candles they're telling us. Should we enter short here or we sell? Sell the moment it's need that candle here, which is going now to finish like that and to break that level here. That one here, it needs to be broken like that. Till now the candle is showing now a rejection from down here. So till now there is nothing confirmed for the daily. We need the daily candle to finish it. And I'm sorry I haven't put a video for you yesterday because I've been busy a little bit. So we put it today. So that candle here, it needs to close like that how it is now. It needs a candle, a red candle to come and to close like that here. That is going to indicate the market is going to fall down, but not that much, just a little bit to here to 24 or 25k. And also we make an event for that one a plan before what else we said before here. People they been with us, we said we buying 20% from our capital here when we touch the 50 moving average. When we broke it here, we said the next target for us to buy is here at the 200 moving average, which is at 22k, between 22k to 23k as you see it. And also we come to you every day. The next level now you need to be focused about it. Is it here? That one here at 24k as you see it. That one the next level you need to be focused about. But me I think also we are going to fall down to touch here the 200 moving average, and that the correction also we've been waiting for. We said it thousands of times. Me I've been telling you there is a correction going to come, and here it is. It came now. So try to benefit from it. Don't miss it guys, don't miss it. Till now we haven't got any price action here telling us the market is going to reverse upward. The only thing we got here is that head and shoulder here, very clear head and shoulder. And also till the moment now also we're breaking the neckline here, but that candle here which is going now, it hasn't closed yet. It's left for it 13 hours. So you need to be focused on that candle which is going now, what is going to give you here in the coming hours. And also we're going to come to you when the daily candle finishes, and we're going to analyze for you where is the Bitcoin going exactly guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the news of today. So let's go into see it. Here it is that the news will came today. As you see it, we don't got nothing here about USA. All the news here will came about UK. It came the GDP of UK. It came the manufacturing doing well. The monthly GDP, even that one, it's staying where it is. But the GDP here, it falls down. So I think maybe we're going to see a small falling down in UK. But that's not our topic. Our topic is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, there is nothing here is going to affect it. And here, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. As you see it, everything still where it is. And even if you're going now to US stocks, the market, what can we say? It's flat, and as you see it, some of them they are red, like the Dow Jones is red, the SP is red, the Nasdaq is green. So everything still looking the same. And here, as you see, our friend the VIX, currency it's still lower. As you see it, also still below 20. Now we are 16.5 59. That means currency is still very low, and people they are not scared now anymore. That good news because inflation is started falling down. The only thing now people still worried about is the banking sector, so you need to be careful about that one. And here, why we see that falling down today because of that one is the dollar index or DXY. As you see it, it's falling, going up. US dollar is going up. That way we see the Bitcoin is falling down, and even the Euro USD is falling down. The British pound is falling down because of that one here, as you see it. We used to be 101. Now we are closer to break 102, and that's bad news for all the people they trade in Forex or Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up, so please go ahead and do it. It will not take you that much, just 1 second. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. Here in 4 hours, people they been with us, they remember all those signals we gave them before. We give you a signal here to enter short. From here we reach here to that level. I told you guys, protect yourself. Why me I give you that signal there? Because we used to have here a symmetric triangle like that. Yes or no? People they been with us, they remember that. You can find it even in the last videos, and you're going to find in the thumbnail that symmetric triangle is getting broke here. Look till where now where we are. In the last video I told you here we got here like a triangle here like that, as you see it. That's how me I draw it. I came to that one down here and that one here. Look at it, it's getting broke here now, as you see it. That man, it's still falling down. Now should you enter long now here. We don't got any price action here. As I tell it to you before, here we don't got any price action here. Same thing now here. Over here for swing trading, it's showing it's going to fall down more than that. And the picture is very, very clear and simple here. And look at here. You remember here the double top here we show you before. Even that one is breaking the neckline here, and it's still falling down. And we got something else here. People they been with me, they remember it. We came to that one here and we do it like that. And in the top we came and we do it like that. We said we got here a down channel like that, as you see it. We touch the lower of it, the top of it here. Now either that one is going to fall down to touch it here, and if it touch it here, down here, and the daily close how it is, that's when the Bitcoin is going to fall down more, guys. So you need to be careful. Where is the Bitcoin going? Look at it. It's a very, very sharp channel. That meant the Bitcoin is going to fall down till here, till 25k, and you need to be careful when it's going to touch that 200 moving average. Try to buy 50% from your capital, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, and I got something for you there, so let's go in there. There it is, that our indicator. People they've been with us. In the last video we touch here, then I told you there is a falling down because it couldn't break above here, and that's what it's showing here. It touched here the oversold area, as you see it, but here in that oversold area we got something here. Let me show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you. Look with me here. Now what I'm going to show you guys, if you came to that one here and that one here and you connecting them by a line like that, and you came down here to that one and that one, and you connecting them by a line like that, what you got? You got a very, very, very clear divergence, guys, as you see it. So maybe that falling down is just a manipulation, but till now we don't got any price action. Even if we got here a divergence, there is no price action telling us the market maybe is going to reverse, maybe it's going to fall down more to touch that 25k, then after that maybe we're going to see a reverse. But the bad news here in our indicator, also we stay in here. Where is the bears they controlling? There is no balls yet. Yes, now I just show you we got a divergence, but the divergence alone, it doesn't mean you need to enter long. So you need to wait until the price action confirm that for you. Yes, also we got now a divergence here in our indicator, but we need a confirmation by the price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we used to be here at the oversold area when we used to be here. I told you there is no price action for us to enter long. We need to wait in the market to give us here a price action. It hasn't come a price action, and the market actually it's break the last low here. And look where we are now. We are here. Now should you enter long? Because if you look in here, look with me here, what you're going to see. If you came here to that peak, that one here, you are in a very, very strong stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. That one here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. If you came here, is a very stronger level. Should you enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long. Also, we will enter long only if the price action telling us that. If there is no price action telling us also we need to enter long, also we are not going to enter long. Yes, our indicator is it here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level, but we don't got any price action here telling us the market is going to reverse upward. Over here, the market is showing it's still falling downward, guys. That's why there is no entry long yet. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in the last video, in the thumbnail of the last video, I came here and we give you here a signal here. Like that, we give you here a signal and we told you we got here a megaphone like that. Yes or no? You can find it in the thumbnail of the last video. Where is getting broke? It's getting broke here. Look at it. So we'll have you enter short from here till down here now. Yes or no? You can find all that in the last video, guys. Just go back to the last video. You're going to find actually in the thumbnail of that video we have there that megaphone there as a signal. Now here at that level where we are here, what should we do? Should we enter long? At this time, no, there is no entry long now. Also, we're still in a sharp downtrend, guys. You need to be focused with me what I'm going to show you here. Look here with me. If you came like that and you came to that one here and you draw in a trend line like that, you see it how I draw it. We came to that one here, and that one here, and even that one here. We got here a downtrend, a sharp downtrend, and you can even make it a channel like that. You see it or no? It's a sharp down channel. I'll show it to you even in the last videos. We touched the lower of it here. Should you enter long now? No. There is no entry long. We need a price action here to tell us we need to enter long. Till now, there is nothing now. Now, the only thing you can do, you wait in that one to come to touch here. Then after that, to enter short. But to enter long, you need a price action here. Till the moment, there is no price action, guys. So you need to wait and more. It's our indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Should we enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long. We don't got any price action here telling you need to enter long. So you need to wait in more till the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.